everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a ButcherBox unboxing. Now these videos are completely unsponsored. I order all these boxes with my own money. And what I order is typically one of the combination boxes. So in this box right here, I have the pork and beef box. And then I've also added on a few things. So this is probably one of the heavier boxes I've ever ordered. There should hopefully also be a Thanksgiving turkey in here. But what ButcherBox is it's a kind of like a subscription service where you can have really high quality meats shipped to you. So typically they do beef, pork, chicken, and then there are a couple seafood options. So they range in different prices. The beef and pork box, where they select the different cuts for you that I ordered, is $129. And then there's add-ons that you can add on, so like my Thanksgiving turkey and things like that were all add-ons. There are a few different ways you can get discounts on the boxes. If you're a student, there's a student discount you can get. If you use Rakuten or Unidays as it's formerly called, I think right now they have, it fluctuates. Right now I think it's around $4 cash back. I'll leave a link to that one down below. And then also I do have a referral link. So if you use my referral link down below, right now they switch this around as well too, depending on how popular the boxes are. But right now you can get $15 off your first box, and then I would get $15 off my next box if you use my link down below. So I would greatly appreciate that one if you are deciding to order one of these. And so I actually skipped filming my last box, but I'm kind of upset I did, because that was the first time I actually had a lot of issues with my ButcherBox. And basically I'll just tell you what happened, but I didn't get any of the things that were actually supposed to come in the box. Like, it was missing all the actual beef and pork items, and it only came with all my add-ons and then a pack of chicken, which I never even ordered. So it was very strange. But then I called up and I just listed off the things that didn't come in my box, and they were able to fix it for me, and they just shipped it out to me, and it came like 3 days later. But it was a bit strange how I just ended up missing like 5 things but got a pack of chicken. So yeah, that's what happened to me last time. But anyways, let's open up this box. I know I got the beef and pork, like I said before. I added on a Thanksgiving turkey, and then I think I also added on breakfast sausage. I typically get these about every month and a half or so, so sometimes I forget what I've actually added on. But I'll flip the camera around and show you what's inside. Okay, so here's a list of everything that should be in my box. So first up, I have the breakfast sausage. Sweet Italian ground pork sausage links. 2 packs of these. Here's my turkey. This one weighs just about 12 pounds. And yep, mine was supposed to be in the 10 to 14 pound range. So it's an all natural, all vegetable diet, no preservatives, no antibiotics. Here's an eye-round roast. 32 ounces. Here's 2 ground turkeys. But I had this problem last time too, where it's almost like they get so frozen that the plastic cracks, and then there's a little bit of air inside there. These are one of my favorite add-ons to add. So this is the apple Gouda uncured sausage. I think these cost about $7 to add on, but these are so, so good. Here's a 4-pack of top sirloin steak. Each one is 6 ounces. Half bone-in pork butt. This one weighs just over 5 pounds. And then this is the last thing here. So it's a 2-pack of the 90% lean, 10% fat ground beef sirloin. I don't think I've ever tried this one. So let me just check real quick that I did get everything I was supposed to. So these are the 5 things that they actually picked out for me in the beef and pork box. So that's the 2-pack of Italian sausage, the 1 bone-in pork butt, the beef eye round roast, 2 packs of the beef sirloin, and then the 4-pack of the top sirloin steaks. That's what actually came in my base box. And then everything else that I'm going to show you in a second was an add-on. Okay, so these are my add-ons. So first I had that turkey, and they had 3 different size turkeys. This one was the medium size, so the 10 to 14 pound. I can't remember exactly how much this cost, somewhere from $30 to $40. Next up is the breakfast sausage. I add this on every time. My husband loves this stuff. But they did change the packaging from the last time. So like this is what it looked like last time. I feel like it looked nicer than this time. I don't know if this wrapping is quite as nice, but that's all right. This costs $7 to add on. I just have that one as like a recurring add-on, so it's just automatically added. Again, the apple gouda uncured sausage, one of my favorites. This one's $7. And then I have the 2-pack of the ground turkey as another add-on. I don't remember how much this one was, but I'll put it on the screen if I remember. So that is all that came in my ButcherBox this time. Remember, down below in the description box you can find my referral link, so if you're interested in trying out a box, feel free to use that link. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be trying to put out more cooking and different subscription box videos, so keep an eye out for those. I'll see you next time.